If you're in manufacturing, you know that posting journal entries is absolutely critical. But let's be honest, it's often a massive headache. We're going to take a look at how automation is completely changing this game.
So let me ask you this. Is your finance team spending hours just retyping numbers from one system into another? If that sounds familiar, then you've already found the hidden bottleneck that slows down so many businesses.
And at the heart of it all is this: the daily grind. It's a process you absolutely have to do to close the books, but the whole thing is built on a foundation of repetitive, soul-crushing manual work.
Think about what this manual workflow actually looks like. First, your clerks are sifting through tons of spreadsheets from payroll, from inventory, you name it. Then, they have to retype every single line into the company's ERP system. And with every single entry, there's a new chance for a really costly error.
And look, this isn't just about being inefficient or slow. The real danger here is the amount of risk this manual process creates. It can seriously compromise your entire financial picture.
I mean, the stakes are incredibly high. A simple miskeyed number, maybe the wrong account code, boom, that can delay your financial close. It can distort your reports. It's a huge liability that all starts with a tiny mistake.
But what if this entire workflow could just run itself? That brings us to the solution. Let's talk about ZAPTEST.
So the method here is built on a really powerful but simple idea. Using AI and computer vision, ZAPTEST literally records the manual process one time, just once. From that point on, it can replay that entire task perfectly, every single time, reading the spreadsheets and entering the data, all on its own.
And when you put the old way next to the ZAPTEST way, the difference is just night and day. You go from hours of manual retyping to literally minutes of automated execution. That high risk of error, it gets replaced by flawless validated entries. And instead of reacting to problems, you get proactive with real-time alerts.
So what does this all mean for the business? What are the real, tangible benefits? Well, this isn't just a small improvement. We're talking about a total transformation of your workflow.
The most immediate thing you'll see is the impact on time. Those hours and hours that were spent on journal posting, they shrink down to just a few minutes. That efficiency gain right there is a massive win. But the impact goes so much further than just saving time and preventing mistakes. There's a much bigger financial story to tell here.
And here it is. For any business leader, this is the number that matters. A return on investment of up to 10 times. When you eliminate all those errors and free up all that valuable employee time, the financial payback is just enormous.
This kind of automation actually reshapes people's roles for the better. Your clerks are freed from that mechanical data entry so they can focus on real, high-value analysis. Your leaders get accurate financial data way sooner, and compliance gets a major boost with automated audit trails.
You know, this quote really sums it all up perfectly. This isn't just about automating a single annoying task. It's about elevating the function and the strategic value of your entire accounting department. So that really leaves us with one final thought. If your team got all those hours back, every single day, what could they achieve? What new insights could they find? That's the real power we're talking about here.